Once again, is Mshamba Marekani. Welcome to All Topics Considered podcast. Her nature is to take vacations and you pay for it. Her nature is to want to go through your phone, but dare you try get a hold of her phone. Her nature is to gaslight you. Her nature is to make you think you're the crazy one. Her nature is to make you feel like you're cheating, even though you're not. Her nature is to want to control everything around you. Her nature is to change the narrative so that your friends, your family, and her friends can see you as the villain. Her nature is to lie. When things start going south, her nature is to consult the government. Her nature is to use the government to her own advantage. Her nature is to see it through that you suffer. Her nature is to make sure she uses the kids as a prop to make sure she settles the scores with you. Her nature is to make sure you don't get to see your seeds. Her nature is to pit the kids against you, make you look like the bad guy, make you look like the crazy one, the irresponsible one, the deadbeat one. Her nature is to indoctrinate the kids to make you hate your very existence. Her nature is to fail to take responsibility for her actions. Her nature is to expect you to sit around and wait for her to make up her mind, to fix her crooked ways. When the relationship is over, her nature is to want you to sit around and wait for her to be able to heal so that you can move on to another woman. Her nature is to want to control every aspect of your life. Finances. Her nature is to dictate the kind of house she wants to live in. It doesn't matter if the finances are there or not, but you have to oblige to her demands of wanting to live in the $1 million mansion while you're only making 100,000 a year. Her nature is to leave you in debt. Her nature is to siphon, take everything from your pockets, siphon everything. Her nature is to make sure there is a conflict. She brings a conflict or makes it look like there is a conflict between you and your family. Her nature is to throw a tantrum every time anything or everything doesn't work in her favor. Her nature is to spend time talking to other men in her inbox. Her nature is to sneak up behind your back and go and ride the carousel one more time, then come back home and accuse you of cheating with other women. Her nature is to take up your peace of mind, frustrate you, make you question yourself as a man. Her nature is to feminize you. Her nature is to emasculate you. Her nature is to keep you on a leash. We'll pick up on her nature next time.